Welcome to this short video on the scanner management. The scanner is the component that will send the tests or checks to your targets to detect vulnerabilities. Scanners, or RNA, which stands for Remote Network Appliance, can be installed in your internal network to scan your internal infrastructure assets, or can be installed anywhere from which it can perform external scans, which are scans of assets accessible from the internet, maybe infrastructure type of assets, or web applications. The scanner management section of the console can be accessed by clicking on the system item and then on scanner management. Here we can see 4 tabs. The first tab, Scanners, is the tab when you will see all your scanners. The second tab is the Agents tab, and it's where you are going to see all your agents. We then have the Scanner Profiles tab, and this is where you will see all your scanner profiles. And finally, Appliance Token, it's where you are going to be able to download the scanners you need in forms of virtual machines images. Let's now click on one of the online scanners. Before I start explaining the different sections of this page, it's important to define what is a scanner profile. A scanner profile is an object to which a scanner is assigned, and it determines whether scans are for an internal or external network. It also establishes blackout times when scans are not allowed and provides rules for IP address and port ranges. Back to our scanner screen. As we can see, the first section is for the settings of the scanner. We have the scanner name. We have an optional description we can add, the time zone in which the scanner is located, and the scanner profile. The second section is for the business group. Here we can decide to assign a scanner to a specific business group. The third section is for the node info. We can see the host name, the location, whether it's internal or external. Here it's internal. The status, here it's online. If the subscription associated with the scanner is valid, yes. The last time it was online and offline. The last time it was updated. The SSH port, the model number, if it's capable to scan infrastructure assets or web applications, the memory space, the vendor, the product, the description, etc. We here have the DNS settings, so the DNS servers addresses in IPv4, IPv6, search domains. Here we have the network interfaces with the device names, addresses, net masks, and protocol, the installed software, and finally the disk partitions of the scanner. Let's now see how to create a scanner profile. For that, we will click on Scanner Management and then click on the Scanner Profiles tab. And finally, click on the New Scanner Profile button on the upper right side of the screen. Here I will define whether it's for internal or external use and give a name to the scanner profile. I call it my internal scanner profile and then click on Create. In the general settings, I can see the information selected to create my scanner profile. And I can also see a second section if I want to associate my scanner profile to a business group. The second tab is IPs and ports. And this section is used to create rules for the scanner profile, defining what IPs and ports I want to include and or exclude from this scanner profile. And the included ones are those that I will be able to scan with that scanner profile. To create a rule, I will click on the Add Rule button and add my included and or excluded IPs and ports. I will just include, for that example, one IP. and click on Add Rule. We can apply the exact same for host names, FQDNs, and ports. And in the last tab, Blackout Times, I can set the hours during which I don't want scans to run. For example, we can add the working hours to avoid having machines being scanned during working hours. Once I created the profile, I will assign this profile to one of my online scanners. I click on Scanners, click on my internal scanner RNA, and then here I'm going to select my internal scanner profile and then click on Save. This will be the scanner used for this specific scanner profile. Let's go back to the scanner management page, click on Scanner Profile, and now we can see that the scanner profile has the scanner assigned to it. Now I'm going to click on New Scan and go straight to the targets. And here I type the IP that I declared in my scanner profile. And as you can see, the scanner profile that I created is now available to be selected. I hope you enjoyed the demo and thank you for watching.